Dumbbell throwbacks in a half quadruped position. After kneeling in a quadruped position, flex the ankle and extend the knee and hip of one leg while grabbing a dumbbell with a neutral grip in the contralateral hand. With dumbbell in hand, start with the elbow bent and the upper arm braced against the trunk. Then extend the arm until the triceps are engaged and parallel to the floor. Pause briefly at the top, then return to the start position. Complete all repetitions on one arm before switching the positions of both arms and legs. This integrated exercise not only isolates the triceps, but emphasizes core stabilization, balance, and coordination. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.